For this lab, we are going to be counting atoms by weighing, and the first thing we need to understand is how to read the scale. Notice the scale goes to the hundredths, so all your measurements should be recorded to the hundredths because that's the precision of this instrument. Remember, we talked about the last value being an estimate. Well, as you can see, if I wave some air over here, it changes that scale. It's very sensitive, so that last hundredth is an estimate. So let's get going. We have sample number 1. And notice, it is in the container, so you are going to have to do measuring by differences. You will have to subtract the mass of the container and the lid. So write down the mass of number 1 in your first data table. Mass of number 2, NaCl. Mass of number 3. Mass of number 4, Fe, and these are just little filings. You're to write down what that is, the actual name of the element. One, 2, 3, 4. Mass of number 5. A white powder. There is a time, perhaps, when the scale might not go back to 0. So there's this 0 button, and you can just press it, and it'll re-zero the scale. That's another name for that is called tearing the scale, T-A-R-E. Mass of number 6, little BBs. Mass of number 7. In mass of number 8. This could be a yellow powder, but this powder is kind of old, so it chunked up a bit. Now, all these masses are the mass of the substance plus the bottle and the lid. You need to subtract that. You need to measure by differences for this lab, and then you will have the mass of your substance. That is to be transferred down to your data table number 2, where it says mass of the substance, and then you will calculate the information from there.